Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I was planning to do a video to compare the exhaust sounds from my Hellcat with my C8 Corvette. But while I was listening to the audio on the C8, I knew something wasn't right, so go ahead and have a listen. So I'm sure you would have picked up that rattling noise coming from the exhaust. So I came out to take a closer look and look what I found. So we're here on the back of the bumper. This is the first thing I've noticed. This doesn't look right to me. And I could easily pull this liner away to expose the exhaust back there. Now it looks like there needs to be a screw here. And it looks like there needs to be some sort of plastic piece that covers all of this going on the other side. And the same thing on the other side. Like, what is this? Check this out. Each one of these screws that's holding the bumper is missing. Every single one. I can easily move this bumper around. Look. Unbelievable. So my first thought was the dealership messed up because I just got this car back from the dealership. It was at the body shop to replace the piece on the back of the bumper. So I went to the dealership this afternoon to show them the bumper, and they said, well, that's how it came in. Now, there could be some truth to that because before I taken this car to the dealership, I took it to another body shop. And the reason why I took the vehicle from the original body shop to the dealership is because the first body shop had the car for 10 days. And they said they needed a special part from the dealership to remove the bumper. And I had no idea what special part that they're referring to. And I got tired of waiting 10 days, so I said, forget it. I'm just going to take my car, I'm going to take it to the dealership. And they did the repair, and I got the vehicle 4 weeks ago. And now I'm just noticing this. Assume the prior body shop didn't put everything back together. You would still think that a body shop would do all the necessary repairs before releasing the car back to the customer, but that didn't happen. And obviously they didn't even mention anything to me, so I'm like, I just found this out right now, so obviously I'm not happy. And if I were the dealership, like I would be ashamed of this, because this is not right, especially when you're talking about their Halo car, the Corvette, and you release it out of the body shop like that. That's just not right. They said they'll order the parts, it'll be here Monday, I'll take it in on a Tuesday, and I hope that the sound on the exhaust, that rattling noise on the exhaust, is coming from the rear bumper not being installed properly. Okay, so I'll have the bumper reinstalled on Tuesday, and hopefully that'll resolve the issue with the rattling noise coming from the exhaust. Then I'll do another video comparing the exhaust on my C8 Corvette with the Hellcat. I think that would be an awesome video. So tune in next time, guys. I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks.